The truth about modern bird identification is it started around 1934 when Tory Peterson released the first of what would become dozens of Peterson's nature field guides. Welcome to the Bird Garden YouTube channel. I'm Rack. We've got some exciting birds to watch today. I'm filming with a new camera. It's Memorial Day weekend and the birds are being so cooperative. I think you're going to like this one. If you do, hit the like button. If you want to learn how to identify your backyard birds, your bird feeder birds, birds when you go camping, birds when you go on vacation, hit that subscribe button right now. I was planning on titling this video, Top 10 Memorial Day Weekend Birds. Then I recalled how bird identification had helped the World War II allies win and end the war. It's all about the birds. This is how they did it. Peterson served in the Army Corps of Engineers. The Army and the Navy started using Peterson's identification system to help soldiers learn to identify enemy planes and ships and tanks. As an infantry soldier, I was trained using flashcards of silhouettes of tanks, much like the ones Peterson implemented during World War II. So today, as we identify birds, whether we notice that the house finch male has a red head, or the song sparrow has a pendant on its chest, a Carolina chickadee draped with a black bib, the Carolina wren has a really noticeable eyebrow, and the northern cardinal has a red crest. The eastern towhee has a red eye. The Downy Woodpecker is diminutive in size. The white-breasted nuthatch can walk down the tree head first. Or if we're enjoying the royal blue back of an eastern bluebird, or the black wings of the bright yellow American goldfinch, these are all field marks that Peterson taught us to look for. Peterson was overwhelmingly responsible for bringing ornithology and birdwatching to the American consciousness. He brought ornithology out of the laboratory and into the living room. You no longer had to be a well-equipped scientist or an extravagant expeditioner to enjoy birdwatching. Exact measurements and expensive travel were no longer required for the average person to enjoy birdwatching after they learned the Peterson identification system. Recognizing field marks is a super easy way to distinguish one bird from the other. See if you can pick out the field marks we mentioned while we watch this video filmed at the Bird Garden YouTube channel feeding station. Leave a comment below with questions you have about how to identify birds and any tips you may have to help the rest of us identify birds. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you on the next one.